Hey, so I've had this cool experience recently dabbling with Azure OpenAI service and how we can apply prompt engineering to make it even more powerful, especially within the tech industry. It's like teaching AI to communicate more effectively with us to serve our business better, you know. Let me walk you through what prompt engineering is and why it's super important while also giving you nitty-gritty details on setting it up in Azure. Hope you are ready for a friendly chat on a topic that just might become your next conversation starter at tech meetups. So, prompt engineering, right? It's all about crafting specific messages to AI, like tweaking the conversation so we get the exact insights we're after. It's almost like setting the right mood for a party and hoping to have good vibes, only here, the AI is the guest of honor at our AI party and we want it to interact in a way that's on point. Azure OpenAI service is our party location. In this service, Azure allows us to send prompts to AI models, and how we phrase these prompts makes a world of difference in the assistance we get. But why is this so strategic, you ask? Because we are talking about using AI to boost innovation and efficiency in our IT systems. Azure's AI doesn't just spit back information. Thanks to prompt engineering, it does so in a way that's curated, relevant, and smart. As an architect myself, the realm of AI's potential always brings me back to this concept of making AI comprehend what we need most with minimal back-and-forth communication. It's all about precision, isn't it? We aim to minimize misunderstandings and maximize output that directly caters to our business goals. Now, for the best part, applying this game changer in tech via Azure. Setting up Azure OpenAI service is smoother than your grandma's knitting. You get to access GPT-3 and GPT-4 models, which, by the way, are like AI superheroes in the world of language processing. The process involves creating an Azure subscription, setting up an instance specifically for OpenAI service, and then it's just a straightforward process, really. Here's the thing though, it's not like setting up a simple chatbot or a smart alarm. Think of it more as tailoring and designing a suit. You need to understand the fabric and then customize it to the user's measurements. So, in practice, you need to understand how to set up a Python environment, install the SDK, and then we configure our AI model with the desired language model settings. Then there's also the matter of the interaction pattern we want from our AI model. Should it be conversational? Or something different? Well, it's like deciding the style of your suit, classic, modern, or even smart casual. But the goal here is consistency, clarity, and most importantly, to ensure the suit fits perfectly with your body. Once the AI is in place, we dive into configuring the prompts to extract specific insights. For example, imagine you are looking for insights on market trends. Instead of giving the AI an open-ended request, you phrase it as, I need an up-to-the-minute analysis on market trends for the technology sector in the Asia-Pacific for the next quarter. See? Much cleaner and much more directed. It's about being explicit with expectations and setting up a framework that the AI can operate within seamlessly. However, like any design, there are challenges. Troubleshooting AI responses can be hit or miss, but armed with best practices, such as iterating prompts based on AI responses and keeping prompts as simple and clear as possible, things tend to improve. We're always fine-tuning, always refining to make the interaction more synergistic, and that's the heart of true engineering, isn't it? So here's a nugget of wisdom. Applying prompt engineering within Azure OpenAI service is not just about the setup. It's about cultivating a relationship with AI, where AI understands us as effectively as we understand it. We need to be strategic, purposeful, and always ready to refine our approach based on continuous learning and feedback loops. It brings us to not just using AI but collaborating with it. And guess what? That's when the magic happens. I can't stress this enough. Applying prompt engineering within Azure OpenAI can elevate IT solutions to the next level, bridging the gap between human and machine intelligence. It's about harnessing the most effective communication possible, and doing so within Azure OpenAI service is like having the key ingredient in our tech pantry. And hey, I could go on, diving deeper, discussing the specifics of Azure OpenAI service features, or how prompt engineering works wonders in personalizing AI responses. Oh no, not to worry, this post might take some time. So, stay with me until we wrap up. And hit save when you are done, as I'll be there sharing this tutorial directly. Oh, and one last thing before we bid goodbye. If this conversation starter has sparked interest, let me know by sending me a quick hello, or, better yet, hit the subscribe button on my channel neeraj.qzz.io, and I'll make sure to share more tech insights. It's been a long chat, but I hope I've clarified how prompt engineering within Azure OpenAI service can make you a better IT professional, and how to dive deeper into this skill. Remember, apply prompt engineering with the finesse of a skilled craftsman, and let Azure OpenAI service be your canvas. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe for more tech talks, where we'll continue to explore and decode the vast expanse of AI within the industry. Catch you in the next episode, where we'll further decode the wonders of AI.